There is a simpler revision of common sense morality for which I have not argued. This is the wholly agent-neutral form of this morality, or, for short, N. On this theory, each of us should always try to do what will, on the whole, best achieve everyone's M-given aims. Our agent-relative moral aims become common aims. Because it is restricted to certain cases, my proposed revision R is complicated. N is simple and theoretically more appealing. This suggests that if we have moved to R, we should make the further move to N. It may seem that I could extend the argument above so that it yields this conclusion. Consider any case in which someone could either 1. Promote his own M-given aims, or 2. More effectively promote the M-given aims of others. All such cases, taken together, constitute the all-inclusive case. This includes all cases where common sense morality differs from N. If we ought to revise this morality in this all-inclusive case, we ought to accept N. Suppose that, in this all-inclusive case, everyone does 1 rather than 2. We shall thereby cause our M-given aims to be, on the whole, worse achieved. If we all did 2, they would be, on the whole, better achieved. But this would be true only on the whole, or for most of us. There would be exceptions. It would not be true that the M-given aims of each would be better achieved. Remember the Samaritan's dilemma. This is the 4th example in Kant's Grundordnung. Could I rationally will that it be a universal law that no one helps strangers in distress? For most of us, the answer is no. But there are some exceptions, such as the rich and powerful, who have bodyguards and personal attendants. These people could rationally will that no one helps strangers in distress. It would be worse for nearly everyone if no one helped such strangers, but it would not be worse for everyone. A similar claim applies to my all-inclusive case. If we all successfully followed the agent-neutral form of M, it would be true of most people that their own M-given aims would be better achieved. But this would not be true of everyone. On the definition that I gave, it is not true for everyone that M is here directly, collectively self-defeating. To put this point in another way, in that definition, everyone means all the members of some group. In the all-inclusive case, most people would be in this group, but there would be some outsiders. In applying the Kantian test, we can perhaps insist that the rich and powerful draw down a veil of ignorance. This can be claimed to be one of the requirements of moral reasoning. But I cannot make the comparable claim about the all-inclusive case. My argument is aimed not at the pre-moral to introduce them to morality, but at those who believe common sense morality. Since these people already hold a moral view, I cannot similarly claim that they must draw down a veil of ignorance. This is why I have not used this argument for the wholly agent-neutral form of common sense morality. I have argued only for the more restricted version R. R applies only to those cases where, if we follow M rather than R, we shall thereby cause the M given aims of each to be worse achieved. We shall all do worse, not just in agent neutral, but also in agent relative terms. This is a crucial difference. In the all-inclusive case, I can claim only that if we all follow M, we shall thereby cause our M given aims to be, on the whole, worse achieved. To claim that this matters is to assume agent neutralism. This claim cannot be part of an argument for agent neutralism, since this would beg the question.